Welcome to 1 Minute Travel and Hospitality News. Lonar Lake in Maharashtra to be developed as a tourist spot. Government approves 370 crore Indian rupees. Vietnam's tourism boom stimulates economic recovery. Thai to organize its 66th cruising convention in Singapore from August the 22nd to the 25th. Joint tourism campaigns with other South Asian needed for more. Parliamentary committee. One arrested for duping around 90 on pretext of booking travel tickets. World Travel Market Responsible Tourism Awards to be held in Bhopal on September 7th. Uttarakhand to develop 46 roadway projects across state. Tourism Minister. Grow your travel business with TravServer. Thanks for watching 1 Minute Travel and Hospitality News. Use your full potential to develop and grow your travel business with TravServer CRM. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to stay updated with TravServer.